Hi creative friends and Pokémon trainers. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we have a super exciting drawing challenge. We're going to learn how to draw and color this adorable grass-type Pokémon, Chikorita. This tutorial is perfect for everyone, even if you're just starting your art journey. Let's begin. Thank you so much for drawing with us today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give us a big thumbs up, leave a comment below with what you'd like to draw next, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun art lessons. See you next time, happy drawing!